Archer Services, beautiful landscaping in every season. Archer Services has a team of dedicated people from our area creating the most spectacular outdoor living environments in Texas. We offer a unique approach to landscape design and architecture by creating a virtual 3D video presentation of what your outdoor space can become.
What is different about Archer is, out of all the contractors that we dealt with, Archer Services was clearly the best contractor to deal with.
Why not explore the possibilities of making your outdoor space beautiful and full of exciting features that will make it a place you can relax and unwind as you create memories? The process is simple. Call or go online and request an online consultation to discuss your outdoor space. The cost has never been more affordable and the benefits never greater. Investing in your home is investing in your family and all the memories created now and in the years ahead.